What you see behind me are the mangled remains of the bus which was hit by a tipper early on Monday morning, and about 19 people have died. At least 20 people have been badly injured. What happened was that the bus was coming from the Tandur side towards Hyderabad, and the tipper was coming in the opposite direction. It's a single road, and the impact of a tipper that was carrying almost 16 tons of load, all that construction material that you see, immediately actually going into the vehicle. Actually, the tipper almost falling on the bus, because of which all the material falling in, trapping in all the passengers that were sitting inside. Only the people at the back, where you can see the seats are still intact, only those people survived. We are being told that about 72 people may have been traveling on the bus. Machinery was used in order to cut through all that metal, the roof of the vehicle, of the bus, in order to be able to take out the passengers who were trapped inside. Very, very pathetic scenes at the site of the accident, where people were pleading for help and pleading for their own life, and it is locals who came to the rescue first, trying to help the people out by removing the construction material and taking out. But it is only after all the machinery came in that they were able to break some of that metal. If Nagaraj were to pan down, he can show the metal that was used, that had to be broken in order to be able to take out all those people. Three important things that I must point out here. One, that this bus was running on what is a single road on the other side. The site of the mangled bus right behind us, in which 19 lives have been lost. I have with me IT Minister of Telangana, Mr. Sridhar Babu. Sir, this connects to your very important IT hub in Hyderabad, and what seems very obvious is that you need a double road, whereas it's a single road.
Yes, after we assumed the government, we started to widen the road. We got the funds lined up, and it's a national highway. And our Chief Minister, our concerned Minister for R&B, made ardent appeals to the central government, made these funds to come. But unfortunate is few environmentalists have gone to court, to the Green Tribunal, got a stay order on this. And that is the reason we couldn't able to start the work. And over the past 10 years too, the negligence which has been shown by the earlier government clearly reflects, our penchant effort, trying to argue, convince the environmentalists who have filed the petition to withdraw it. We made many attempts to trying to talk to them. Now on 31st, they could able to really withdraw the petition just 3 days back, and immediately on the 31st itself we have started the work. So no delay on behalf of the government after we assumed the government. And unfortunate, this incident wouldn't have taken place, but it has taken 19 lives and 26 got injured. So unfortunate, and we are also, feeling very, very sorry for it.
So you are also admitting that while there may be other factors for the accident, the single road that is there here, which obviously has a very high density of traffic, did lead to the accident.
Yes, the road, single road is there. But at the same time, the reasons for this accident, I can't assume and tell, because CM has ordered for the magisterial inquiry. And department, on the behalf of Transport Department, our Honorable Minister has ordered for is departmental inquiry. So after the inquiry reports come only, we can talk about it, what are the reasons, whether it is single road, which is a speeding one, whatever has happened, all those things will come to the fore.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I also have with me the Transport Minister as well. ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर गारू, अभी दूसरा एक्सीडेंट है, 10 दिन में हो गया, करनूल का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, फिर ये हुआ. आपके डीजी ने भी कहा है कि अब रोड ट्रैफिक का जो एक्सीडेंट्स है वो एक प्रायोरिटी रहेगा आपकी सरकार के लिए.
हमने उसी लिए रोड सेफ्टी महीने को भी किसी प्रदेश में नहीं हुआ जैसा हम लोग बच्चों को भी इन्वॉल्व करके बहुत प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. और आज सरकार का रूल के मुताबिक पूरा कंट्रोल नहीं होगा, जनता के भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होना चाहिए. केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकार मिलकर ट्रांसपोर्ट के बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स ला रहे, और रोड से टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ के रोड बहुत बड़ा होने के बाद स्पीड भी बढ़े, तो इसके मुताबिक गाड़ी का लोग जो है एक्सीडेंट से बचने के लिए क्या करना वैसा करने की जरूरत है. देखो बस पे पैसेंजर,
Obviously there is big demand for bus, and that's why maybe more than 70 people were traveling. That cannot be stopped.
वो भी देखो संडे हैदराबाद से घर को आए, फिर मंडे के दिन काम के लिए जाएंगे. उस वजह से सुबह उठ के जब हैदराबाद ड्यूटी चढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं तो उस वक्त में हुआ सब। इसलिए सरकार बहुत दुर्घटना को सीरियस लेके हर फैमिली को 5 लाख फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट साइड एंड 2 लाख फ्रॉम आरटीसी दिए और इसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी भी के ऑर्डर किया हम लोग।
तो सरकार जो कॉम्पनसेशन है उन्होंने अनाउंस किया है, लेकिन यही बात है कि 10 दिन के अंदर अंदर दूसरा एक्सीडेंट है जो बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने पे हुआ है. So 19 people have died in this particular accident, just like in Kurnool as well, where a bus fire happened just about 10 days ago. 19 people had in fact died on the Shivela highway. With camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.